Guys, welcome back to my channel. So as I promised earlier on, I'll be creating more updates, like uploading 3 tutorials in a week. If God permits, I'll promote more than that in a week. So as you can judge by the title, today we are creating a pizza design or a pizza poster for advertisement for your clients. So let me see. I actually did this design, posted it on my Instagram page. So let me open it up and see. So this is what we are coming to create in this episode of our tutorials. Alright, so let's get right into the video. Okay, so with my size in place, for quite some time now I've been working with 10 inches by 11. I don't know why, but I think it's a personal preference. It's a personal preference. Okay, so what you have to do is, first off, you create a background for your artwork. So you come to your layer panel and then create a gradient. A gradient. So I went in for black and red. So the first one, let's maintain it at black, and then this second color, let's choose a deeper red. I think this is good, like so. Okay, now I went for a bench wood from P-Engine-Wing. I actually created a video on how to download stuff from P-Engine-Wing. So if you have not watched, you can go through my videos and watch that video for website for graphic designers. Kindly watch that video and you will know how to download stuff from P-Engine-Wing. Okay, so let's go for our bench. Let's go for our bench. Let me go into my download. I actually downloaded it this morning, so it's just here. Okay, so it is here like so. So what I did was, because of the pizza, the way the pizza is being placed, I tilted this bench a little bit like so and scaled it to fit in the design. Let me drag it down a little bit. So we are good to go. So when you look here, the bench is looking some way off. So what you have to do sometimes is, you don't just have to put your resources there like that. You have to also add some adjustment to the design. So what you have to do is, first off, you come to with the P-Engine selected, you come to your image and come to the adjustment, and then let's add some levels to this thing. Let me reduce this side. You see, you're getting that. If I bring it back, you see that whitish part, but I want it to look a little darker, so I'll reduce this to, let's say, 19 or 20, and then drag this down a little bit and put this one up. So this is actually what I want, and then we are good to go. Okay, so guys, when you are done with this, you can actually go for your text, or you can go for your design. So now your pizza. So I want to teach you guys something real quick here. If you are, let's write our text. I am using Choplin, like is the name of the font is very funny, like you go chop you understand. So we are going to create our text right here. Now, once again, Choplin is a font family, so let me click right here. You have thin, italic, extra light, italic. You can get Choplin on that font. So let's go in for black. And you can get that bold look. So let's first off type pizza. Let me turn on my caps. Pizza. So pizza, and then okay, so let's scale it up like so, and then because our bench is tilted, let's tilt this thing like so. increase it a little bit. Let me, yes, adjust it well. Okay, now guys, that is not the only thing. Let's duplicate our text. Control J and bring it up here like so, and type great. Yes, type great. Yeah, so let me undo. Let me drag the pizza text down a little bit like so. Let me change this text to Stretch Sans. Yes, and reduce it. Yeah, I can actually work with the Joplin, but I just want to choose a different font for the grids. Yes, so guys, like so. Now there is this effect that I saw trending on Instagram like of late. Yes, so I actually didn't know how to do this. Yeah, so I was trying to recreate it, the text effect, and then I finally got it. So it is just a simple thing I think some designers are doing of late. Yeah, so let me choose something like orange color for the text. Yes, the orange is too much. Let me maintain it like so, and choose an orange color for the text. Yes, so there's this effect that designers have been doing of late. Yes, so let me get right into it. I don't want the video to be long, so you just select your text like so, and you come for the FX, the effects. You have blending options, you have bevel and emboss, which is something I don't really like doing. You have inner shadow, inner glow, whatever. Then you choose stroke. Yes, so with a stroke, let's set the size to 30 or 32 is personal preference, depending on how you want the effect to be done. Now you come to position, whether you want the stroke to be outside the center, yes, or inside. So with this effect, you have to set your stroke to the inside of the text. Yes, so when you are done, yes, I think my color is already selected. I want the same color to work with, so the same yellow thing. Yes, yeah, so when you are done like so, you come to where the pizza is. You select the stroke, you place the cursor on the stroke and right click and come to create a layer. Yes, so you choose create a layer, and then it will separate the stroke and the main text. Yes, so you come to the text like so, then you come to filter and you come to blur and you choose Gaussian blur. And now, right guys, you can see the effects we have in the text. If you want to increase it like so, you can increase the blur like so, and you have something like a glow type of text right there. Yes, so you can go in for the same procedure I just gave right now. Let me just pick the color like so and create a stroke like that for the other one too, like so. Yes, and then you separate the stroke from the text by creating a layer. Select the stroke and come to, and then you just click here like so, and then the effect is applied. Yes, so when we are done with this, then you can go in for your pizza. Yes, so we go in for our pizza. Yeah, that one I downloaded it some time ago, so let me just go through my files and look for the pizza. Yes, please, as I'm looking for the pizza, kindly subscribe to my channel for more updates. Yes, we need a subscription. Yes, we need it. Yeah, so you place it on it like so, yes guys, and you can see we are recreating what we did this morning, and voila, that is it. So when you are done like this, you can just add more touches to your design. So I created some fire sparks here, and then I just have it in my file, so I'll just go for it and then blend it with the design, and let's see what we got. Okay, so let me go to my files again, and we have some fire sparks here. I have a lot of them, but there is one that I mostly love using. Yes, so you can see I have a lot of fire sparks here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, so I like using the 7th one in my files. Yes, so let me just choose that one here, like so. Yes, and place it in front of the design. Yes, if you place it behind, you are not going to see the effects, so just in front, center align it like so, and then you come to your blending options and set it to screen, and damn, yeah. So the background looks a little, like a little plain, flat. You can just add more touches to it if you want to. Yeah, so I also added some lantern to the side of the text of the design, so I'll just go for that one. Yeah, this lantern like so with it placed, I just place it at the side here like so, increased it, yes, like that, and then it is not glowing. Yeah, it is not glowing. So what you have to do is that white. So if you want it to glow, you can just go for the sun PNG. Yes, PNG, and then let's go for it. Yes, so I have the sun here like so, glow light. Yes, so you can just, and then place it on top or in front of the light like so, and then you come to the blending option and set it to screen, and voila, we are good to go. Yeah, so one effect I also added was I added some motion to the bulb, the glowing light. So let me come to here and choose blur and motion blur, and then I think the 31 is okay. Alright guys, yes, you can add more details to this design. Yeah, and some of the things I got, they are somewhere in my file, so I'll just go for them from the previous one and then just place them. I have these tomatoes here. Let me turn off my, so I have these tomatoes here. I can just send it today. Why? I can just send it here like so. Yes, so guys, that's it for the video. Kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that I can notify you. YouTube can notify you anytime there is a new update on my design. So quickly you can just go in for most of the things like so. You can just add more stuff to your design. Yes, to your design. It's just the same thing. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe once again. I need your subscription. Yes, I need it. I need it like beans. Yes. Alright, peace out.
You're never gonna look back, 'cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change, slowly